Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful miniature nursery or the miniature flower shop using ice cream sticks, and I have decorated this with beautiful handmade flower pots or flower vases, the beautiful ladder, and also I have created the teeny mini flowers to decorate each pot, and these all flowers are handmade. Isn't it looking super cute and beautiful? So you can convert this into fridge magnet, or you can use this as it is as a showpiece for your miniature decorations. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here I am taking ice cream stick or popsicle stick and cutting it from one corner to make it flat, and with the same method we need total 9 sticks. Just leveling it up and connecting it with each other using glue. So this is done. Now to make it more firm, here I am taking thin stick which is a coffee stirrer and connecting it on back side. So just measuring it according to the width and chopping it using scissor, and we need total 2 sticks to connect it on back side. And this is done. Then here I have extended my pattern with 2 more sticks and secured it from back side. So now total measurement of the base is 8.5 by 13 centimeters. Now in the bottom I am connecting one thin stick which is 8.5 centimeter wide. Then on top I am adding 5.5 centimeters stick by leaving little gap and adding one more 5.5 centimeter stick. Then here I am taking broader stick which is 8.5 by 1.5 centimeters and connecting it vertically like this on top of the base sticks. Then we need one more which is 5.5 by 1.5 centimeter, and third one is also 5.5 by 1.5 centimeters. Like this. So it will be the base on which we will attach our pot. Now I am taking here 8.5 by 2 centimeters cardstock strip. I have folded it at 0.7 centimeters and it will work like the roof base. So just connecting with the glue on the top like this. So front portion I am keeping it as it is without adding with glue, and I am adding glue only on back side so that it will be slanted. Then adding glue on top of the front part and connecting these rounded ice cream sticks which are 1.5 centimeter in length. So just covering this roof portion. and this is ready. Now the base is completely ready, so it's time to color our base. Here I am taking little bit of green and blue acrylic color with lots of white and created the beautiful fresh mint color and coloring the base with this beautiful pastel shade. But if it's all up to you, you can choose whatever color you like to color the base. So just completing it. Then to make ladder, here I am taking 8 by 0.5 centimeter ice cream stick, connecting two pieces together to create the thick stick. Similarly, we need one more with the same measurement. And to connect it between the sticks, I am taking here 1.5 centimeter wide small stick. Here also I have connected two pieces to make the same width. Now adding glue and start attaching these small sticks between large sticks. And the super cute ladder is completely ready. Now I am coloring the ladder using baby pink acrylic color. Here I have mixed little bit of red with my white color. So you need only basic shades of acrylic and you can create so many beautiful shades. You just need red, green, blue, yellow and lots of white. And also sometimes black will also work. So just keep some basic shades and you will have so many colors with you. And the ladder is ready. Now I am sticking my ladder on the right side. And the base is completely ready. Now it's time to create teeny mini flowers for our flower pots. So here I am taking green color paper and just chopping it in long triangular shape to create the foliage for my first pot. Just curving it like this. Similarly, I have prepared some more. Now taking one of the pot which I have already shown in my previous video. If you haven't checked that video yet, I have given the link in description box, you can check there. Now I am filling the pot using these beautiful foliages by attaching with glue. And the first pot is ready. Then for the next flower, here I am taking purple color 5 mm strip, just taking here half strip, folding it twice and cutting small fringes using scissor. Open the strip and we need only 1/4 strip. Then rolling it using Quilling Tool and creating the fringe flower. And the flower is ready. Now I am passing one white color wired pollen through this to attach the stem. and this is done. With the same method we need total 4 small French flowers. Now I am taking my next pot and connecting these French flowers inside the pot. So this is also ready. Now for the next flower, here I am taking these thread pollens in yellow color. Just level it up from both the sides, folding it from center. Connect the bottom part using glue. Just twist it little bit so that it will gather in the center. And tada, your flower bunch is ready in few seconds. Now I'm putting it inside one of the pot. If you find the length is extra, you can just chop it using scissor. And then I'm fitting it inside the pot. So you have to measure the length of the pot and the flower according to the base which we have created using ice cream sticks. So we cannot exceed the length too much. Similarly, I have prepared one more flowers using other color thread pollens, which is yellow and red. So this is also done. Now to create next kind of tulip flower buds, here I am taking my handmade cold porcelain clay, just scratching little bit of pink soft pastel into this and making my own baby pink clay. Like this. Now taking little amount of clay on your palm and just create the drop shape. Then taking one small piece of wire, add glue on top of this and just connect it with your tulip bud. And tada! This is ready. With the same method, I have prepared lots of buds. Now I am filling the other pot with these beautiful buds. And this is done. Then for the next flower, here I am taking orange color clay, just creating one small ball, taking one small piece of wire, add glue and stick it with the clay ball. And your small orange color flower is ready. With the same way, I have prepared some more. Now I am filling my green color pot with these flowers. And this is ready, looking very pretty. Then here I am taking again my baby pink color clay and making very small balls using my fingers. These are very small, just like the small seed beads. Then taking one small piece of wire, add glue and start pouring these small balls around the wire, so that the glue portion will catch all these small balls and it will work like small foliage. The floral foliage, and this is ready. So I have prepared total 5 floral foliage and I am filling my yellow color pot with this. And this is ready, very pretty. Then for the next flower, here I am taking white color wire pollen, just dividing from both the sides in equal length, and we need total 9 to 10 these type of pollens to create flower bunch. Now I am sticking this inside the heart shaped flower pot. And this is also ready. Very cute. Then for the next flower, here I am taking one white color wire pollen, adding B7000 glue on the tip and just dipping it inside these ready-made flower pollens. Similarly, I have prepared lots of flowers with these pollens and the bunch is ready. Now I am putting these flowers inside my another pot. And this is also ready. Then for the next flower, here I am taking green color clay, just rolling it between my palm and press it. So here I am making the cactus leaves. Similarly, I have prepared some more and I am filling my another pot with these cactus. And this is also ready. So all my pots are ready. Now it's time to decorate our base. So just add glue and start attaching the pots according to the height, one by one like this on all 3 levels. And this is done. Then here I am again taking green color clay and making small leaf shapes to decorate the right corner of the base. Just creating a small vein. So making some small veins, attaching it in the corner and covering it with these clay leaves. So all vines are ready and beautiful flower pot shop or the nursery is completely ready. You can attach the magnet if you wish in the back side, but I am keeping it as it is for now and decorating my beautiful corner of the house. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.